Hello, how you doing? And welcome to How to Cook Great. If you like what you're seeing, please do subscribe and also leave us a comment. Okay, let's get moving. Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this chicken nashif. It's very, very simple, kind of from the Middle East. Nashif basically means dry. So yeah, we're going to sort of dry fry something. I've got there 500 grams of chicken breast, which I've cut up. That's about a pound of chicken. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon each of chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and some salt. If you want, a little bit of cardamom powder in this also works really nicely. I've got there a heaped teaspoon of garlic ginger paste and about a cup, or just under a cup actually, of onion. A little bit of oil in there just to kind of bring it together. And then very simply, grab a spoon, give that a little mix, and then we're going to head over to the cooker. Like I say, this is very, very easy and really, really delicious. So we're going to get to the cooker, dry pan, above medium heat. Obviously, we've got our oil in there already. What we're simply going to do now is we're going to be cooking this for 5 or 6 minutes, depending on how big you've cut your chicken. For me, 5 or 6 minutes is going to be fine. Stirring around. I'll be flipping it about every few seconds. So this is coming together really, really nicely. And next up, I'm going to add some tomato paste. I'm using one of these little Tetra Pak things here. That's 135 grams in total. To that, we're going to add a little bit of water. And when I say a little bit, I mean a quarter cup of water. We just want to kind of give some moisture to it. But we're then going to cook it and dry it out. This is a really, really simple version of it, which you can do with chicken. If you're going to do it with beef or something, it's a completely different method. It comes out the same, but takes a lot longer. So there goes a little bit of water in there. And again, about another 4 to 5 minutes. We're going to be stirring. Pretty much done it. I mean, it's so simple and so easy, this. You can have this with rice, by the way, or with some bread, like some khubz or something like that. But yeah, delightful, easy peasy, lovely dry chicken or nashif. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.